Chairperson VOC Port, Deputy Chairperson, senior officials of the port, distinguished panelists, representatives from industry, all stakeholders from the marine ecosystem, members from academia, and all the participants. A very, very good morning to all of you. Friends, the maritime sector is entering a phase where decisions of technology will shape not just efficiency, but also the structure and resilience of India's trade and logistics systems. How we integrate artificial intelligence into ports and maritime operations will therefore have long-term effects for governance, capacity creation, and global competitiveness. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and the guidance of Honorable Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sonowal ji, India is progressing steadily towards a vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. For the maritime sector, this vision calls for structural modernization grounded in capacity, coordination, and resilience. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways has consistently pursued reforms to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and system-wide performance across India's ports. As green ports have become a central pillar of maritime development, the purposeful integration of AI now represents the next strategic milestone. Friends, from the ministry's perspective, AI is not merely a technological upgrade. It is a systems capability that influences port planning, traffic management, asset maintenance, safety, regulatory oversight, and long-term capacity creation. The transition we must manage is from data accumulation to institutional intelligence, where ports are able to anticipate, optimize, and adapt in real time. In this context, this consultation on AI in ports and maritime operations, practice, policy, and the future, being convened by the Chidambaranar Port Authority as an official pre-event to the IndiaAI Impact Summit 2026, is timely and very relevant. It provides a focused platform to examine what is already working on the ground, the policy and governance frameworks that are required, and how these efforts must align with national priorities. The discussion rightly moves beyond narrow interpretation of smart ports. The objective is to build ports that can think, ports that integrate operational, environmental, trade and economic intelligence to support informed decision making. Achieving this will require contribution from operators, technologists, academia, economists, and all parts of stakeholders. Friends, the ministry views such practitioner-led dialogues as important inputs into sharing a coherent and scalable national approach to how to adopt AI across India's ports ecosystem. The insights that emerge from this discussion will inform how standards are formed, capacities are created, and best practices can be shared across the maritime ecosystem. Again, I commend this initiative to convene this dialogue and wish the panelists and participants a productive and very forward-looking discussion. Jai Hind. Thank you.